Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Today we are going to discuss about Love Video Maker. First I want to show you the app icon. You have to come here, you have to write here Love Video Maker. After that you will get the app. This one is, I have already installed this, so you can use this. These are the 18 animation in this. You can try these 8 animations for your pictures. You can put them multiple pictures in this. Still you do not like and subscribe, first go and like and subscribe and must comment about this. After that, if you want to add picture, you can click here, and if you want to write something, so you can write from here, edit from here. Then if you want to add the music, you can use the music, and if you want to change the timing, you can change the timing as well of the you are using pictures. So here are the 18 animations, and by default this one is comes whenever you open this. These are the frames. You can see where I am going to click is coming, so you can use this frame as well. So guys, still you do not like and subscribe my channel, so first go and like and subscribe, and must press the bell icon, and must tell me about which type of video you want to get. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.